This is the account actually I think I recently shared where I withdrawn my funds also. Last week I sent the report to everybody, I think. Does anybody remember that or no? Let me bring it here. Okay. Yeah, actually, I left it this balance on 4,000, and today, after 3 days, I'm standing at 48.73 from 4,000 to $800 plus in 3 days. Actually, today itself we made $300. Actually, I'm gonna run the history. Yeah, $324, approximately $300 we made today. To run the report here, let's see if I can run the report or save as report, detailed report. And this one is, let me go for this week only, custom period. After I withdraw this money, I left from $4,000, and then I started running this again, and till today, yeah, $747 profit we have made in last 3 days, And let's go and see the report. Yeah, this is from this 17th, which is Sunday evening. Sunday evening we started, and Sunday evening till now it has given me $747 profit till now. Right now as we are talking, I'm only $40 in floating loss right now. So this is I know the strategy is doing good. Yeah, I brought it down to 4,000. Now I'm back to, within 3 days, approximately 20% up. And Dilip, I know you're doing good. Karthar, we want to know from you also. Actually, I was expecting we're going to have some new guys, but that's okay. Only what I'm doing is actually I'm following the trend. I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to take it to daily here. Maybe view. Okay, let's change the time frame from here. Periodically. I was looking at this like that this was my gonna be previous. I'm gonna zoom it out. Let's say zoom out. If you can see, like here was, I was expecting it to turn around, and before that it turned around from this location. So actually when it was going up here, as soon as we reached to 94.50, I changed my trend from bullish to bearish, and I went into the, instead of buying, I went into the sell mode. If you see all these orders which we did here, I changed my positions from buy to sell. Yeah, I was on buy mode, and at 94 something I changed my position to sell, that I'm not going to be any more buy as the market is going to take a turn, and I was expecting, and I came on the sell side, and that's why it closed so many trades today. And I'm still right now, actually just now it has already closed 3 trades from this evening. So I know this account is also doing great right now. Yeah, $58 floating loss, but that's going to be okay. So right now actually I changed my trend because I knew the market is almost coming here. Even if it goes up, I'm going to still stay bearish now on the sell side till it really comes in this region where it took a turn actually last time, approximately this area or this area. Excuse me. Yeah. Hi, this is Paul. Yep. No. No. They knew that it was an online meeting and there was no actual meeting to be over there. There was an online meeting. No, I'm sorry, yeah, but that was supposed to be. Yeah, no, they made a mistake. They should read clearly that it's an online meeting. We didn't put any location. No, highly appreciate that, calling me. Yeah, no, it's clearly no location provided. It says online meetup. There's no personal meetup over there, online. If Thank you, appreciate. Highly appreciate that. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, I don't know, somebody went to my office right now for this meeting. So I don't know what to do, but I can't do anything. Welcome, Mike. I see you just joined here. Somebody's having some issue with this meetup password. So anyway, Mike, was it you? ADR value for various space. Okay, Mike, was it you just to send this message to me for this password? Please tell me. Okay, I got it here, Mike. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so what I did is on I already changed my settings over in this EA from bearish to bull to bearish. I'm going to stay all the way bearish till it comes to this point, and then I'm going to be a little bit careful because it took a turn earlier from this point, and if it still goes further down, I have to watch this point and then further to this area. But till the time, I'm going to leave my strategies running, and as you know, it's running itself. I think only I have a new guy here, Mike, who doesn't know that what we are doing. Mike, just to brief up here, what we do is actually I have built up a strategy which I teach and which I have converted into fully automation, and it has a different setups actually. I wanted to bring different setups here, but it's not. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it has whether you want to go long or short or whatever this thing is so I can go change this thing, and then there are different inputs parameters, lot size and everything, the trading range where I want to trade between what range, how many orders I want to keep pending, how many pips I want to take profit, lot size, and whether I want to do hedging or no, and if I want to do hedging, then after how many pips I want to do hedging. So all these break-even things are there. Rest is the same. So that's I know, Shabir, you have not seen this, so if you have seen, that's okay. But that's what we usually do it here, and I let this run day and night. And I know, Mike, you joined late, but I was just discussing, I sent the report last week where I withdraw all my deposit and left the account with 4,000, and in these 3 days the market has given me $747, approximately 20% in these 3 days. So I'm at again $4,800 right now. So that's where we stand right now. I don't think I'll be able to explain this whole strategy within half an hour or 1 hour. But yes, we have just started the session, and I'm just doing the second batch. We did only one first batch earlier, and now this is second batch, and I'm not going to do any other batch. I don't think so. You're asking for the ADR, Parmar. I think we can discuss on Skype, and I can show you a website where you can find the real ATR for every currency, 100% ATR, whatever the currency pair you want to pick. I'm going to unmute everybody as long as we don't have any background noise. If anyone has any questions, please let me know, because I know we're going to have a lot of questions here. Mike, you were asking that the same system we are using this summer. Yes, we are using the same system, only I was doing earlier everything manually. Now I'm not doing anything manually. I have converted all my manual orders into auto orders. So this whole program is, which is Expert Advisor, is placing the order itself and closing itself. So now I don't spend too much time placing the orders and doing this. So the system is taking care of itself. How far you order the hedge from the actual position? Depends on the ATR. If the currency is moving too high, then the gap is too high. If the currency is moving only like 50 pips, almost you can say 75% of the ATR on the larger currency. But if it's only 40 pips, like USD CAD 50 pips, then I'm going to go with the 100 pips for the difference between the hedging, you know. I'll go with the approximately 100 pips, and then only I will hedge. Any other question, please? There's only one thing actually I want to point out here. If your account is $5,000, if your account size is 5,000, lot size should be 0.05 per lot. That's all. And then your account is not going to deplete as long as you find the trend even after 1 day or 2 days and you change your direction to the trend side, you know. You will not empty your account, you will make money. And actually I have Dilip, who is even trying this whole strategy against the trend. Dilip, can you explain me, because I've seen your emails and I've seen your I give the mic to you, Dilip, please.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm using your EA, but a different strategy than what you're using, Paul. You're using long and short in the same account, and you're
in this one, sorry to interrupt you. In this one, I'm using only one side. I'm only on right now on the short. I'm not long and short right now.
But you change depending on
yes,
the trend.
I change. Yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What I have done is I set up 2 separate accounts, and one account is on long only, and the other account is short only. And it is running on auto, so I don't even touch it at all. It's been running, so I've got 2 sets of account. One account has been running since November 5th on auto, and the one that is long, let me just check here.
I have those. Would you mind if I bring that email to you here?
Sure, yeah.
The one you send it to me.
Yeah.
Actually, I was just going through that email recently, Dilip. Telepia. You just sent me that email last week where you were running 4 accounts. This was the one, I think, or maybe the next one. Maybe let's see here. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah,
Dilip, which one was that? Actually, I saw that email also today.
yeah.
Who is this? I don't know whose name. What's happening here? Somebody's account is logging on and off. See if you can find that email. I don't know if you can share that email or if you have those numbers. I know I have that email, Dilip, somewhere, but right
You
now it's
just
hard
had
to
it.
find.
You just had it. No, this is the old one. You just had it a minute ago.
Okay, I think it's in this one here. This is Pramar, Dilip. Okay, I can't find it actually. I don't know.
There, there.
This one?
No, this is the old one. This is the old one. No.
Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm missing that one. I think this is the one email which should have everything. But I can't find that numbers which you send it to me here. I don't know whose account is this, some closing some orders or whatever.
I can resend it to you.
Guys, please see if you can mute yourself. Who was that? I think somebody's closing some orders. Please write your name here and I can mute your account from here, please. Anyway, Mr. Pramar, you are also using this for a long time. We'll just discuss Dilip account. I know his account is doing great. He is only following one side. I think let's finish with Dilip first. Dilip, see if you can send me that email.
Okay, okay. And I'll give you the account number.
You give me the account number or
Yeah, I give you the account number there.
595615. Okay, you want me to log into that one? Log in here. 595615. That's the one here. Let's see here. What we have in this one is you started from 10,000
Yeah.
on 11th May, and
November.
you have made.
November 5th. November 5th.
Oh wow! What's your right now? Let's see. What's your open trades? How much loss you're having right now? That's all? Is this yours, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, great.
Look at the yeah, that's mine.
So this is like you have made approximately 50% profit in, let's see here, all history. I'm going to run a report here, detailed report. Okay, here, Dilip. You started this account with 10,000 on November 5th and today we are at November 20, 15 days. And you have made lot sizes, okay, 0.25. You have made 5,695 minus you paid this one the fee. Okay, you have only, and you are only on the long side.
Yeah.
Wow. But now as I feel like right now the market is changing to short size, but you also had an account with the short also.
Okay, look at my short account. It's
like here. Guys, as you can see, like what he did is he's using that strategy, autopilot strategy, which is our strategy. I have given it to these guys. My Dilip and Parmar has it. So he's just running it on autopilot, and I'm very happy to see that you're running only buy, okay? And let's see if we can see the other one sell also. What's the account number?
that one is 595
595
623.
623. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Now this one started same November 5th, and this one is wow, great. Okay, let's run the report on this one also, detailed report.
Look at the equity.
Just a second, I'm gonna run this. This is only short, right? That one was long, and this is short only. Save. I'm gonna run. It will show like we started on November 5th, and 5,200. Okay. You have open trades. You have floating loss of this much, right?
No, that doesn't sound good, right? Um, look at the trade.
Yeah, I see
Right.
here like all the trades were short. 123 trades were short,
Yeah.
and everyone is a winning trade. 5,264. What's your equity actually on this one? Let's see
Yeah,
here.
the equity.
Yeah, you are in a loss right now of
Yeah.
6,000 on this one
Yeah. But
because you
see,
are against the trend, right?
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what my point is. Like you were against the trend. That's why you have too much drawdown.
Yeah.
But if
But
you
see,
were in the favor of the trend, then you don't have too much of the drawdown right now.
see
I know your
this.
equity is gone up. Your equity is like you made the same profit, but
Yeah.
at the same time you have too much drawdown here. I know this is going to come up like as it's going to come down because you're on the sell. Everything is going to cover it up, and within 15 days it's going to be zero, nothing, because
So
everything is going to be covered up itself.
yeah. So the way I'm running is the one should not take one account individually. I'm running two simultaneously.
Okay,
So we should add up the profits and losses for
okay,
both, and then you will see I'm still about $4,000 in profit because I'm
okay.
losing about 1,000 here. I'll make 5,000 in the other one.
No, I know that's okay, but actually this account will be also okay because if you're
Yeah,
going to stay on the short only,
yeah,
all these positions which are giving too big loss is going to
yeah,
come up and close here
yeah,
eventually because the market is going to come here as the market follows up and down trend all the time, and we know this is going to come from where it started, like you're stuck from here, and this is going to come over here. But what in case if it doesn't happen? Like Dilip, what will you do? Suppose the market doesn't come out. Qatar has a question here. These are not live accounts, Qatar.
no,
He is testing 4 different accounts with the same strategy, two on the buy side and two on the short side with different parameters. And all the accounts has approximately 40%. Right now I see 50% growth, but one of the account has not too much drawdown, and one of this one, which is not in this favor because he's totally against the market, is having too much drawdown. But when this is going to make it come, Dilip, I have a good question here. Like if I don't know, I have a question whether it's good or no. Suppose the market don't come back, then what are you going to do? Because you are
see,
totally going always against it.
right now if I close both the accounts,
I know, but
then then,
it's
then I will be about $3,500 in profit. So I look at them in a combined fashion.
oh, okay, but that's I don't know. That's your thing,
So,
but
but what I plan to do is I would close the account that is in profit right now, my long account, and just take the profit. Okay? I don't want to lose the profit,
Okay.
and I will let the sell, the short one, run, and hopefully it will come down.
Okay. 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 That's a different thing. But yeah, but I have just the way I just shown you, like what I was doing in my accounts here.
Mm.
I changed my trend as the market was changing the trend. Like
Mhm.
I changed my direction from buy to sell, sell to buy, as I really see the market is taking the turn. Shabir, actually, I'm getting noise from your side. Okay, I'm going to mute you. Anyone has any question, please? Mike, you have any question, please? I think, or Shabir, please. Okay. Shabir, if Mike doesn't have any question. So Shabir, do you have any question, please?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Um, Here's one question. Like if uh, I have an open position and uh, my hedge is turned on too, so how far would be the stop loss for the hedge?
We don't put the stop loss on the hedge. No. We
Okay.
try to do it break even on the hedge, like, this one has a setting here. I'll just go into the settings here. I'll see if I can turn on the setting here. This expert advisor, actually, let me bring it here. We can see here. Load, all real account, okay. Short only. Okay. I'm not using any of this, like we have built the indicator, but I'm not using any of these indicators here. I have 4 indicators here. Fisher, this one, and this one. But we are not using any. This is the number of trades we're going to keep pending, and this is the
Okay.
profit we are taking.
Mhm.
And the stop loss is nothing,
Okay.
spread is nothing,
Mhm.
and the signal bar we're going to leave it as is here. If we turn on the hedge, as somebody is having the mic too much on. Um, Welcome, Frank. I'm going to turn off your mic because we're getting sound from your. Okay. This one I can make the distance whether I want to 100 pips. If it's a US CAD, I will go on the 100 pips. But if it's a
Okay.
big account, like big ATR account, big ATR currency, like any pair with the Euro AUD or GP New Zealand, which has
Mhm.
more than 150 ATR, I will run about 200 uh, pips, and I can use a multiplier of 2, 2.5, or 3. But we don't put a stop loss. Rather, what we do here is we put a break even, that as soon as the market is 50 pips up on the hedging side, it will break even. What does it mean is if it takes a U-turn, let's put it this way. I'm going to put it in, suppose this is my 1.9, 1.9. I'm stuck. So market took a turn. I came to 2.01, 200 pips, and it took another order at 2.1. And if the market turns after 50 pips from here to here,
Mhm.
it will break even. When the market goes back, it will
Yeah.
close it here.
Oh, okay.
So I can change this setting here. Suppose if I change it to 30 pips, and this is the actual order, and this is the hedge order. As soon as market goes 30 pips, it will remember that it has to close it if the market goes against. But if it's
Oh,
keep
okay.
going, it's going to keep going. And when this one and this one is break even both here, it's going to close both.
Oh, okay. Yep.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so that's where the built-in strategy is, break even. And even I can lock in how much profit I want to lock in there. Even after when I'm closing this one and this one, both here, how much profit I want to make, like minimum 5 pips, 10 pips, 15 pips, I can decide
Yeah.
that too. So that's actually built-in feature of this strategy. And the rest is everything is there's much more actually. We have new version which has a lot more things. I can put the upper gap. If I'm going bullish, I can keep the gap on the lower side up to 100, 200 pips. So if the market is going up only, the lower order will not below 200 pips. So suppose the market is going bullish, and my order will always be like the bottom order will be always 200 pips from my current position. So
Yeah.
this is buy and this is sell. Sorry, this is buy on the top, and sell will be always 200 pips, maintain the gap. So that feature also we have built in. Any other question, please?
So how do you get this average true range number?
If you there are different sites which tells you the ATR, which is actually lot of platform has built-in feature of ATR. But if not, if you go to FXCM, they have a system over there where if you open a demo account on FXCM
Mm-hmm.
trading station,
Yep.
there is a built-in feature of finding the ATR pips, ATR underscore pips, and there you can find. Actually, let me show you if I can show this one here.
Yeah, I have in the trading station here average true range. Yeah.
Yeah, so that feature is built in there. Actually, let me see if I have that ATR thing. Features built in. Okay, let me see if I can. Let me see if I can log into this account.
Yeah, because I just turned on my trading station and I see the ATR.
I'm just turning on my FX trading station. Let's see if I can find the ATR thing, which I think a lot of guys are asking. Okay, open there. There's my chart here actually. Okay, I'm going to bring this chart here. This is the chart here. If we go insert and add indicator,
Yeah.
there is a
Now you can just type in ATR in the type here filter.
ATR pips. No, actually I have it here. I think I can just.
Or because I just type ATR here in the add indicator box at the top. Yeah, just type ATR
ATR
here.
pips. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, and this one if I use actually, I will use full one, last 14 days, and that gives me, I'm going to change this to daily.
So
Yeah,
this is 80. Oh, okay. This is ATR pips.
yeah, 85 pips is for New Zealand CAD. If I go to GBP USD, it's 99. If I go to AUD USD, it's 83. Mostly GBP New Zealand is 178 pips, too high.
So
So
how
GBP
much is for Euro USD?
less. Euro USD is only 100 pips. Even the GBP USD is also 100 pips. Japanese has 122 pips. So mostly the New Zealand pairs with the pound has the highest. Actually, I found this is the highest one.
Okay, so say if 100 pips is the ATR, so you mean the hedge would be 100 pips away from the original position?
Now I'll put 200 pips gap between the hedging. because the market moves anyway 160 pips a day. So I will not do hedging below 200 pips.
Okay.
Parmar is asking, can you give me 5 pairs? Parmar, this is the one basically, if you compare Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, GBP AUD, I think, third, I don't think New Zealand USD that much. No, New Zealand USD not that much. So AUD, Euro AUD, yeah. So these are the 4 major pairs which I found. One cross pair is with yen also. Yeah, GBP Japanese, GP yen, pound yen has 122 pips. So these are the major pairs, which has too much movements. Anyone has any other question, guys? Those who joined late, I'm sorry for that, but we are recording this thing, and I think you can see this whole recording later on as I'm recording this meeting today. Any other questions, please?
No, not yet.
Okay, Shabir. I'm going to start from the top and see if someone has. Dilip, any question for me, please? Frank, I know you might be having a lot of questions. You started late, you joined late. See if you can reduce the volume of your speaker.
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, Frank.
Yeah. What sort of, what are you providing as far as either services or products?
What I'm doing is actually, I don't know how long you have been
He is
struggling.
not using the headphone.
Frank, see if you can reduce your speaker volume, please. Kartar, I will find you the 5 pairs.
Is that better?
Yeah, Kartar, I will find you the 5 pairs and give you the ATR for all the currencies. I'll send you in the Skype or in the email. As far as Mike, your question, Frank, your question is concerned. I don't know. First, let me ask you first. How long you have been trading?
About 6 years.
6 years. So you must be a good winner right now, right?
No.
Why not?
I'm part-time.
Part-time, okay. I'm doing full-time. I don't do part-time. What I do is actually, I was also struggling from last 7 years. And I also tried different strategies, different gurus, but I could not make any success. So finally, I built my own strategy, which I'm using nowadays. And before you came in, actually, I was just sharing those numbers and even the numbers from my students also, who are making approximately, here, this is one of the guy who has made approximately 50% in how many days? 15 days. So we have this automatic trading platform which you need to learn and how to use it. So for you, actually, I need to have a separate conference call because you joined late. So I think it's too late right now to go again, but we can have a separate call. I see someone else is joining now. It's already 8:45, so I'm not going to hold other guys, I've been here for so long. But if you want to have, like you have my email address, you can send me an email. I can fix up another time. And I can show you actually this video also. You can see this video, what we are recording. Or I can answer your questions after that if you have any. My email address is and a lot of guys ask me why I'm doing this is because I want to have the feedback from my users that if they can improve it better, if they can give me more suggestions to improve it. No, I don't provide a signal service, sorry sir. Frank, I don't provide signal service. But yes, I'm sharing this EA, but before I share, I need to teach you that how to use it, because if I give you and you don't know how to use it, it's not worth it. Any other question, Frank? Parmar? Parmar, just send me an email. Okay, I need to, okay, I mute him. Parmar, just send me this email. That way I can send you in that email, reply to that email, and I'll send you all the ATRs of major currency. Ernest, you have joined late. You can send me an email and you can see this video today what we did, because I think it's right now too late, and I can send you the link for this video and you can see this video, and then we can have a question answer session, and if you have any question for me. Mike, do you have any question for me? Shabir, if you have any questions for me?
No, thank you very much.
I appreciate that. Mike, last call for you. If you have any question for me. Send you the link for what, Mike? Oh, replay, okay. I'll send you this link in the email. Then you can play it, you know. Ernest, is there anything else also I can do for you, or I think it's already too much time because I can't repeat everything again. It's already too late. I'm sorry those guys who joined late, but anyway, good luck to my guys who are doing great. Dilip, I'm very thankful to you. Pramar, if you want to share your something because you're doing good also, I know, Pramar, please tell, you know. You have the mic, Pramar.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have been trading for about, I would say, 10 to 11 years, but without any success. And it was only on July 9th that I met you for the first time that I saw some light. And honestly, that was the first time that in all these 10, 11 years, I went on trading on demo. So far in the last 10 years, I've never traded on demo. I always traded live, but very small loss. Still, every time I lost my capital, then recapitalized it, lost it again, lost it again, lost it again. Anyway, after trying about, I would say, about 3 months, and 3.5 months on demo, after listening to you and following your method, I felt confident that yes, this system is working and I can go on live. So for the last 3 weeks, I have been on live only on one account. I started with $1,000 and started with 10 cents per pip. That's 0.01 loss. And it started making money. Of course, the first 2, 3, 4, 5 days, you build up a little bit of balance, but your equity is not enough. Equity is still the same, 1,000 or little less than 1,000. The reason being that there is always some residual drawdown all the time, because some of the trades that you start will not close and the market will go the other place. So there is always some drawdown. So after 4 or 5 days, the equity also starts building up. Balance is up, but equity also starts building up. And after that, balance goes up, equity goes up, balance goes up, equity goes up. In 3 weeks, I do have real good equity a real good balance too. So only last week, last Sunday, I started another account with $1,000 again.
Okay.
And the same strategy, completely same strategy, but I made a mistake that instead of starting the second account also on GBP and ZD, I started on Euro AUD.
Okay.
That's also making money, but only half the money because of ADR.
ATR, okay. Average
ADR.
true range.
Yes. Today or tomorrow I'm going to shift it to GBP and ZD because it's taking the same number of trades almost. No, sorry. It's doing the same thing but taking almost half the trades that GBP New Zealand does.
If you don't mind me asking, like the first account, how long it has been now? 3 weeks or 4 weeks?
But 1 second, I will just open it. Just bear with me for 1 second, and I'll just go into history and give you exact date of the start.
Yeah, I
Yes,
don't want
I
to
started it on November 11.
November 11, so it's almost
Sorry.
November 11.
I'm reading the wrong date. Deposit 1,000. Okay. Sorry, October 27.
October 27, so it's almost, we can say, 3 weeks now.
3 weeks, yeah.
Okay.
October 27, and let me give you the latest figures on that $1,000. That is today. Today the balance is balance is 1792.51. 1792.51.
Okay, and
equity is today equity is 1257.71.
1257.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have made actually approximately 25% in
equity. But this morning equity was about $1,500 because it has gone to one side, and now once it reverses, it will come. Equity will go up. Balance may stay the same or a little bit change.
Balance will go high too. Definitely, balance will go up too.
Yeah, but balance will go up a little bit, but equity will go a little more.
So you approximately made up 25% already. Even on the wrong day.
Exactly, absolutely, that is positive.
Cool. That's great. That's great.
So my deficit or running drawdown at this time is about 536 approximately.
I know Pramar, it's your personal account. I don't want to be nosy or something.
No.
Is it possible that you can share the statement with us, because as I have shared my statement?
You please tell me how to do it. I will do it right now. I'm looking at it.
You are in the meetup group. You are in my meetup group.
Yeah.
So in the meetup group, if you go, you can post it over there. Here I'm going to bring the meetup group here.
I'm very naive in these things, but
I know. Sorry, I don't want to be personal, but at the same time.
No problem at all. Honestly, absolutely no problem.
Here, actually, I think files. I don't know if you have this thing or no. You can load the files over here. As I download all my files here, upload my files here. So you can upload these files over here, or you can send me the email, and I can load it here.
Sorry, you lost me. I mean, I have my, that's a separate screen that I have on my account. How do I mix these two screens? I have no idea.
Okay, once you make the statement, once you run the statement, I run the statement here, and I can save this statement wherever I'm saving it, right? I can save it to desktop.
All right, okay.
Like here.
Allow me 1 second. Let me save my statement first.
Okay, this we can do later on. No problem.
Okay, all right.
We can do it later.
Yeah, no problem at all. Okay. I have no problem with it. With both the accounts, I can show it to you. And allow me 1 second. Let me open the second account and show you the balance today.
Please.
And this was open only on Sunday for $1,000. And at this time, with $1,000 they gave me the 1,000 bonus, but that doesn't mean anything. So today the balance is $1,143.
$1,143. The
This
balance.
is Euro Audi.
Okay.
This is Euro Audi. So 1,000 has become 1,143, and the equity is 11,098.
So you're $98 up only in 2 days.
Only 3 days.
3 days, yeah, $98. Okay.
Yes, and
1098.
my drawdown on this is $44 or $45,
Yes.
44.81.
So basically, approximately, you made 10% in 3 days anyway.
Yes, sir. And that is with the Euro Audi. That's why I want to close it, and I want to go to GBP and ZD. Why should I spend the same time with a low, with this
That's it, yeah. Okay.
slow horse rather than a fast horse?
Okay, yeah, because the Euro Audi, you're saying as Euro Audi?
Yeah.
Euro Audi
Euro Audi brings me about 6 to 7 trades. And
140 pips.
GBP New Zealand gives you about 10, 11, 12 trades a day.
Now I have reduced my pip size also, the take profit also. I
Oh,
have
wow.
reduced it to, I know I'm doing more trades that way. Actually, I'm doing right now on 10 pips or 10 pips only, the profit.
Oh, I see.
So that way it's giving multiple trades, more trades. But definitely if the market was coming back from 17 pips or 15 pips, now it's not doing that, so it's giving me that order as a lost profit, you know.
See, the point is, are you getting more pips in total per day?
Yes, yes, because the more orders are closed and the more pips I'm
No,
getting.
but more orders with 10 pips will be less than, I mean, let's say you have 10 orders with the 10 pips, that's only 100
No,
pips.
I know, but instead of 10, I'm doing now 28 orders of 10 pips. So 280 pips instead of 200 pips.
But I already made more than 300 pips myself too on GBP New Zealand today.
Okay, anyway, we can discuss this later on.
Okay.
But anyway, that's great if you're doing good. I'm happy for
Yes,
you.
sir. I'm very confident and very happy with it. Honestly, God bless you. It's eye opener, and it's such a simple system. It has given me hope, and I know that if I'm not greedy and stupid, it will work.
Cool. God bless, and thanks to everybody who joined here. And I'm sorry for those guys who joined late. If anyone still has any question, please feel free to ask. If not, have a blessed night and good night to you guys, and happy trading. I'm there for you guys if you need me.
Okay, have a good night too.
Good night, everybody.
Thank
See ya.
you.
Thank you for joining, everyone.